Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be just a quick little update and discussion about what my goals are for 2026 and how I'm planning to achieve them. I am starting a challenge for myself. Let's dive in. So I think I may have mentioned in my wrapping up 2025 video just kind of what my goals are for 2026, but I decided I would make a listing and also selling, obviously we want to profit, challenge out of this. So here are the rules. Here's the breakdown. This year, just from reselling, I want to make $5,000 net profit take home. I want that money in my pocket. So my plan starts with listing all the inventory that I already have photographed. Believe it or not, it's a huge backlog, and I feel like some of these things are going out of style by the time I get around to listing them. So that is one of it. Delist and relist stale inventory. I definitely have some pieces that have just been out there in the world and they just haven't sold, but like good things. I have some Lululemon pieces, just some actually like trendy kind of Y2K pieces that I think I just need to like give better keywords to because the Y2K is still selling really hot. Thrifting once a month for new inventory. Now, I know many people are probably watching this thinking, only once a month? Okay, listen. With my situation, I have a lot of inventory already to list and sell and clear some space. And also, this is not my main gig. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller and I have like 3 other jobs and multiple streams of income. And so just from reselling is not my main gig is what I'm saying. I want to make it a priority in order to at least hit these number goals. But with that being said, yes, once a month because I want to rely mostly on the inventory that I already have in my possession and cycle through some of that before really bringing in like a crap ton of more new, fresh inventory. Hope that makes sense. And avoid eBay fees was on here. But listen, it seems like after doing the math, it might make sense for me to just pay the eBay fees, specifically when I know the item is worth some money. I feel like I've had a lot of random things listed on eBay that keep getting relisted. I want to make sure that I'm using up my 250 free eBay listings on things that I think will actually sell. I already made 2 sales this morning on eBay, and so therefore I know that it can perform well. I just need to make sure it's the right kind of stuff, the stuff that people is actually looking for. So my challenge, starting with my listing. I want to list 50 items per month for a total of 600 new listings this year. This does not include delisting and relisting as separate. And in order to make $5,000 net profit take home, I'll have to make approximately $417 per month off of these 600 listings plus whatever's already there, of course. Let's say I have 30 items that I'm selling for an average net sales price of $14. That should get me to my monthly goal, which would then get me to my year goal. Meaning I need to definitely sell 30 items or sell more high-priced items. A lot of my items right now, y'all, like most of my January sales have been low, and I'm talking like low, like $5. That is my business model. It's volume. It's volume over quality, I suppose, quantity over quality right now, because I have so many listings backlogged or items that are photographed that needs to still be listed. So far this year, I'm going to give you a quick little breakdown. I'm filming this on January 15th. I have had 3 sales on Mercari, 6 sales on eBay, and 4 item sales on Revival. Now, you're probably like, what the heck is Revival? What are you talking about? Listen, this is a reselling platform specifically made for ravers and music festival goers. It's all about festival fashion. Now, if you have items that could fit into what you might think someone would wear to Coachella, something that's very glittery, something that's fringy, something that's very unique, something that's even practical, like a fanny pack, something like that, you can use this Revival as a income stream, as a platform to sell on. I have quite a few of those items, and when I'm out thrifting, Plato's Closet specifically, I find a lot of good items that are like rave festival fashion. I can make the most of this platform by doing that. So I've had 4 sales already this year, or 4 items, I suppose, that have sold, 2 bundles from this platform. Those might have been my higher dollar incomes so far. As of January 15th, I have sold 13 items, which is almost half of my 30 items. Again, the sales price is lower, but I want to cycle through those items. I would love to As a result, I am listing 600 new listings. I would also love to, because I'm hoping to reach a new listing number of 600, I would like to move out at least 300 pieces this year. That's definitely doable. I feel like for me, that's pretty on par with, how my store has performed in the past, but that's the goal. So with this challenge, I'm going to be keeping track of how many listings I'm putting up, how many items I'm selling, and obviously my dollar amount to hit that 5K, to hit that 600 listings, and to hit that at least 300 items sold. As I stated, today is the 15th of January. So far, we're about halfway through the month and I've already listed 31 new items. From those 31 new items, 4 of those have sold. So 4 out of those 13 listings that I have already sold this year have been because I'm listing consistently every day, or listing at least 50 items per month. So I'm doing pretty good, but this means that I also am gonna have to make sure I'm carving out the time daily and weekly to hit these goals, hit these numbers. The idea is that whatever I make in 2026 for this is directly for my trip to Europe, to Tomorrowland. I'm going to a music festival in Belgium in July, and it's going to consist of a lot of flights, a lot of music festival ticket, food, Ubers, travel, trains. Then we're going to do some hiking over in Switzerland and France. So we'll have a couple days there. So a lot of traveling, and it should be a $5,000 or less for the entire trip. Hopefully less. I like to budget travel. And if you want to see all those vlogs, you can go to my main channel. But the point is that I want to make, and I will track how much I'm able to make and if it will be able to pay off this trip. Like I said, just a quick little check-in, update, goal setting, accountability video. Let me know what your action plans are to hit your goals this year, this month, this quarter, whatever it might be. And let me know, am I shooting too low? Should I shoot higher? Am I shooting too high? And subscribe so that we can keep growing and learning together. I would love that. I also have been working on the hoarder series. If you haven't checked that out and you're new to the channel, that's been most of my content lately within the last year. So make sure to check that out. I can have it linked here in the description. And thanks for being here. I'll see you real soon with some updates. Bye.